Hello YouTubers, how you doing? Fat Guy Flies RC here again. We're going to talk about the e-flite Valiant. Okay, now this is the e-flite Valiant. If you purchase one of these planes, congratulations, you are one smart cookie, because you know what, it's a great plane. It's got A3X, it's got safe select, it's got flaps, very powerful, nice three-cell plane. Can't run on 4-cell, they run on 3-cell. Got a nice big bay there to put a big battery in there. I run up to a 3300 in it. Great plane. Okay. Now e-flite, don't crucify me, but from what I can tell, from what I have seen, as you see this line of glue right here, about every 10 to 20 of these things that come off productions has a problem, has a little defect. And it's a vibration to where the motor mount and the firewall is coming away from the front of the fuse. Okay? If you're fortunate enough like me to hear that vibration down low, kill your motor, glide her in, fix the problem. That happened to me. So many videos of guys who their motor just came right out and they crashed their plane, or they weren't able to recover it, or just bad news. They were up too high. And Love RC, I think you had that problem. But you got a video on that. And so I got fortunate. I heard a weird vibration, landed the plane, took it back to the shop, fixed it. Now I have a second Valiant, and my older Valiant, that did not have that problem. Okay? So I'm going to show you something. Now I have removed the prop, the collet, and the cowling on the front of the Valiant here. Now, just to show you, the way this motor mounted back in here on the firewall, and this outer plastic piece is what your cowling attaches to. This is also part of the motor mount. It's all one big plastic insert. Now, if this bad boy, if you can pull it up just a little bit on one corner here or one corner here, or got a little bit of movement in it, then you got a problem fixing to happen. What you need to do is just go ahead and pull it a little bit further in that area. Anywhere where you can pull it up a little bit. Get you some good glue, good foam safe glue, like foam tack is awesome. Some of the safe Gorilla Glue that's out there is awesome. I happen to use a Gorilla Glue called Clear Grip. Not that I'm endorsing it, but I use this. It doesn't hurt the foam. It's Gorilla Glue. It's awesome. Sparingly put that in, or not sparingly, liberally put that in there anywhere where you've got movement in this plastic piece, because that is part of your motor mount there. Take the motor mount out. Make sure that everything's nice and secure in there. If you feel any movement at all that's not supposed to move, get you some of that Gorilla Glue or foam tack in there. Let that sit up overnight. Put your motor back in there. Put your cowling back on. Put your motor back or your prop back on. Shouldn't have a problem. You hear any vibration at all, take it all back apart and look for that spot that's moving loose and put some more glue in there. I'm telling you, about every, like I say, 10 to 20 of these develop the glue coming undone, and all of a sudden you hear a weird vibration. Sometimes that's all you hear. You land, you don't know what happened. Some people, it vibrates and there goes the whole front of their plane. I've seen videos where the whole front vibrated off. Okay, this is too great of a plane to let something that's preventable, get away from you. Take a look at your Valiant. This is not a game stopper. This is not a deal breaker. Okay, $169 for this plane with a Horizon hobby right now. Get it. It's a great plane. It's worth it. It's just when you go to put it together, go ahead and take that prop off, take that cowling off. It's got 4 screws. Go in there and check this whole fuse, this motor mount, this firewall. Make sure everything's nice and snug and tight. This one is. I don't have a problem with that one. The other one, I had 2 flights on it, and all of a sudden I had that vibration, and I'm like, what the heck is that? Landed it, and sure enough, one whole side was coming undone. Check your Valiant. check your Valiant, check your Valiant. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. It's a great plane. I'm telling you, go get yourself this E-flite Valiant. It's a wonderful plane, $169. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope my explanation will prevent you from having a real problem. Thank you so much.